Welcome Taisheng video. Today we will introduce you how to make a picture frame and what is the step-by-step to make a ready frame for it. First, if you want to make a frame business, that even you make a small workshop or you will make a larger automatic production line, Taisheng Frame Supplies always can offer you the different equipment, the machine and materials for you. For now, making a small frame. The first step that you find is the moldings, the MDF, PVC, aluminum and wood, and also PS the molding in your local market. Find that and find the molding. First step is that to cutting. Use cutting machine to cut in the different lengths. Then use the joint machine to join the length together. Then to be the frame size as you need. Then next step to order the mirror, the PS glass. This PS glass won't be broken in the long term the delivery. PS glass, put it inside. Then next step, go to the mat board inside. And the third one step in the picture, put the picture as you need. Finally, put the MDF board, backboard inside. Use a spring to lock that. Congratulations, you will already got a frame. This is it. It's very simple to make a picture frame. Even you make a small frame or a bigger frame, we both have the different equipment and also the hardware, the hanging systems for you to help you to make it very easy to handle the large quantity picture frame productions. Okay, this is the Taisheng Frame. Thank you.